What is cohesion in object-oriented programming? Now let me give an example here. See, this is a class. Just assume that this class is doing everything related to email. All these functions, check email, validate email, send email, and all others, they are working only for email. So now these functions are closely related. They are like-minded. They are doing only the work for email. That is, this particular class has high cohesion, very good cohesion. And that is what we want. We want a module or a class to have high cohesion. Everything should do think together and for a single goal, like single-mindedness. Now what happens? Somebody did something differently. He made a class A and placed check email. He made another class for validate email and another class where he put this send email. Now you see, when if somebody wants to send mail, or the mail class has to be accessed. Previously, class A was very good. But now when we have different classes having different functions of mail, when we make the object, these objects are going to interact, they are going to collaborate, they are going to be interdependent, and that is not good. Now this is called coupling. When we talk about two different classes, the interaction collaboration is the coupling, the information flow is coupling. So coupling is high and we don't want that. So we want the coupling to be as less as possible, as low as possible, and the cohesion within a single class should be very high. So cohesion is the property of a module of a class. It is not talking about more than one class. Coupling is minimum of two class, of two objects or two modules. So cohesion, as I said, cohesion refers to the degree to which elements inside a module belong together. They are single-minded. They are working together for a single task. They are designed and made to do a single work, or the work which the class wants to do. Okay, and different classes means different responsibility, different roles. So every class should have its own single role. But when we talk about inside the class, all the function data variable, they are highly working together. So we say they are highly cohesive. But when we talk about two different modules, two different class, two different objects, when they are talking together in a very high manner, that is, they are collaborating, they are messaging, they are changing behavior in state, that is, the coupling is high, that we don't want. We want as less as coupling. But if two objects or two modules, they are not passing anything, or they are just sometimes they are interacting, then this is low coupling, and that's what we want. Okay, so this line which I'm showing is a coupling line. How high this line is, that is, the design is not good. And coupling should be as less as possible. And cohesion, high cohesion is associated with robustness, reliability, understandability. Low cohesion, that is difficulty to maintain, to test, to reuse, to understand. So high cohesion often associate with loose coupling.